Why do people snore? That is a great question. It says that snoring occurs when airflow is obstructed, causing throat issues to vibrate during sleep. It is commonly caused by relaxed muscles, excess throat tissue, or nasal congestion. Key factors including sleeping on your back, alcohol consumption, smoking, or structural issues like a deviated septum, with about half of loud snorers having sleep apnea. According to Cleveland Clinic, it states, snoring is a common condition that can disrupt your sleep. It happens when air can't flow easily through your nose or mouth. Mild or occasional snoring usually isn't a cause for concern, but chronic snoring can increase your risk of certain health conditions like stroke and heart attack. A good earplug that reduces snore noises on Amazon is the 45 dB earplugs for sleeping noise canceling earplugs for noise reduction and snoring. From customer reviews, it has 59 total global ratings, with 96% of being 5 stars and only 4% of being 4 stars. There are no 3-star, 2-star, or 1-star reviews. Some features of this product is that it has recycled materials, which is at least 50%, safer chemicals that have chemicals that are safer for human health and the environment, as well as worker well-being, which is manufactured on farms or in facilities that protect the rights and or health of workers. Furthermore, a mouthpiece for sleep apnea is also really important. Sleep apnea is a mouth guard for sleep apnea is a custom-fitted oral appliance that gently repositions the lower jaw forward to keep the airway open during sleep. These devices, often for mild to moderate obstructive sleep apnea (OSA), whereas a comfortable CPAP alternative, reduce snoring by preventing the tongue and soft palates from collapsing. Anti-snore mouthpiece that I found on Amazon costs around $49.99 has a review of 4.7. That product does way better than the other products and its reviews. Others cost around $60, $150, $60, and $90, but their ratings were only 3.2, 4.0, 2.9, and 2.9. This product has a total of 38 global ratings, with 91% being 5 stars, 5% being 2 stars, and 4% being 1 stars.